MilesCarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
You're standing there looking at your 2018 Ford F-150. It's more than just a truck to you. It's your workhorse, your family hauler, your trusted partner on the road. You've probably heard the horror stories, whispers of expensive repairs and sudden breakdowns. That can plague even the toughest trucks. Maybe you've even experienced one yourself. That sinking feeling when you hear a new, strange noise from the engine bay, or when the transmission doesn't shift as smoothly as it used to. These are the common failure points that can stop a great truck dead in its tracks. It's a genuine pain that can cost you thousands and leave you stranded. But what if I told you reaching 300,000 miles isn't about luck? It's about having the right plan. Today we're going to turn that pain and uncertainty into a clear, actionable strategy. We'll look at the most common problems: engine, transmission, and the smallest electrical gremlins. I'll give you a proven method, a detailed roadmap that shows exactly what you need to check, which repairs to prioritize, and the maintenance routines to keep your F-150 running for years. This isn't about complex, expensive overhauls. It's smart, preventative care. Our goal: practical steps you can start following today. You don't need to be a master mechanic. I'll break everything down into easy-to-understand language. We'll cover everything from simple fluid checks you can do in your driveway to identifying early warning signs of major component failure. This guide is for the owner who wants to be proactive, the person who wants to take control of their truck's destiny. By the end, you'll have a complete maintenance philosophy that will save you money and give you the confidence your truck is ready for the long haul. Think of this as your truck's personal fitness plan. Just like a person needs regular checkups, your F-150 needs a consistent maintenance routine. We'll focus on the big three: powertrain care, cooling system health, electrical system integrity. Neglect anyone and you risk a cascade of problems. But follow this plan and you'll address root causes, keeping every part working in harmony. Let's get started. Make your 2018 F-150 a true high-mileage legend. Let me tell you a quick story about a guy I know named Dave. Dave bought his 2018 F-150 with the 5.0L V8, brand new. He's a contractor, so that truck works hard every day, hauling tools, towing trailers, navigating dusty job sites. 5 years later, I saw him at a car meet. His odometer was about to click over 310,000 miles. I was amazed. The truck looked and sounded fantastic. It idled smoothly. The paint still shone, and there wasn't a single drop of fluid on the pavement. I had to ask him for his secret. Some magic additive? Perfect factory luck? He just laughed. No magic. His secret was simple. A strict, non-negotiable routine. Every Saturday, he spent 30 minutes under the hood. He checked every fluid level. He looked for signs of leaks. He listened for unusual sounds. He followed the manufacturer's service schedule, but he went further, changed oil more often, rotated tires more often because of severe duty. He told me about a small coolant leak from a loose radiator hose clamp. A tiny drip most would ignore. Because he checked weekly, he spotted it, tightened the clamp, and topped off coolant. A 5-minute fix saved him from overheating that could warp heads and cost thousands. Another time, he noticed a slight transmission hesitation. He immediately had the trans fluid and filter changed, preventing a possible rebuild down the line. Dave's story is our example. His truck didn't hit 300K by accident. It survived because he was proactive, not reactive. He treated maintenance as a priority, not a chore. A little time and money on prevention saved him a fortune later. This is the mindset we're building. We'll take Dave's principles: regular checks, addressing small issues immediately, and sticking to a smart service plan, and apply them to your 2018 F-150. Your truck has the same potential. I'm here to show you how to unlock it. The engine is the heart of your F-150, and its lifeblood is clean, quality oil. One of the most talked about issues with the 2018 F-150, particularly the 5.0L V8, is oil consumption. Some owners report a quart or more between changes. Excessive loss is a red flag, often caused by piston rings and cylinder liners. The PCV system relieves crankcase pressure, but can contribute to consumption if clogged. Clogged PCV pressure builds and forces oil past seals and rings. First step, check your oil regularly. Don't rely on the dashboard light. It only warns when pressure is critically low. Make it a weekly habit to pull the dipstick. Do it when the engine is cold and the truck is on level ground. Note the level and monitor how quickly it drops. Symptom: oil seepage around the valve cover. Symptom: whistling noise at idle. This 5-minute check is your best defense. If it's consuming oil, don't panic. Top it off. Use the correct oil specification. Ford specifies full synthetic 5W20 or full synthetic 5W30. Check your owner's manual. High-quality full synthetic is non-negotiable. Pay a bit more per change. It's insurance. Service interval matters. For a 300,000-mile goal, change oil and filter every 5,000 miles, especially if you tow or drive in dusty conditions. For prevention, address the PCV system. PCV valves are cheap, often under $20. They can be replaced in minutes with basic tools. Replace every 30K, 50K miles to prevent pressure-related consumption and gasket leaks. Some owners switch to a slightly thicker oil like 5W30 if on 5W20. Do that only after careful consideration. If consumption is over a quart per 1,000 miles, consult a mechanic. They can run a compression test or a leak down test to check piston rings and cylinder walls. Those repairs are more significant but necessary for longevity. Modern engines, including those in the 2018 F-150 lineup, use timing chains to synchronize the crankshaft and camshafts. This synchronization is critical for the engine to run properly. However, the timing chain system can be a source of problems. Chains, guides, tensioners, variable camshaft timing, VCT phasers. The most common symptom of a timing issue is a distinct rattle or clatter on a cold start that lasts for a few seconds. This noise is often caused by a faulty timing chain tensioner that has bled off oil pressure overnight, leaving the chain momentarily slack until the oil pressure builds back up. Ignoring this sound is a recipe for disaster. As an owner, your primary diagnostic tool is your ears. Listen intently every time you start your truck, especially after it has been sitting overnight. A healthy engine should sound smooth and consistent. That cold start rattle is your early warning system. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.
Remember, sometimes there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
Another symptom can be a rough idle or a check engine light, P0011, P0012, P0021, P0022. These codes indicate that the VCT phasers are not adjusting the timing as commanded by the engine computer, which can be due to low oil pressure, sludged oil passages, or failing phaser components. This is a problem that will only get worse, so early detection is paramount. If you hear the rattle, the immediate action is to ensure your oil level is full and the oil is clean. Low or dirty oil is the #1 enemy of the timing system, as the tensioners and phasers are hydraulically operated. If the noise persists, even with fresh oil, you should not delay in seeking professional help. Continuing to drive with a loose timing chain can cause the plastic chain guides to break. Pieces can fall into the oil pan, potentially clogging the oil pump pickup tube and starving the entire engine of oil. In a worst-case scenario, the chain could jump a tooth, causing catastrophic engine damage as pistons collide with valves. Preventing timing system failure comes back to our central theme, meticulous oil maintenance. Using high-quality, full synthetic oil and changing it religiously every 5,000 miles is the best way to protect these sensitive components. The clean detergents in good oil prevent sludge from building up in the small oil passages that feed the tensioners and phasers. The cost of a full timing job, including chains, guides, tensioners, and phasers, can be substantial, often running between $2,000 and $4,000, as it is a very labor-intensive repair. This is a prime example of where spending a few extra dollars on preventative oil changes can save you thousands in the long run. CarHelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.